from Create with Sue. And I'm very excited. I've just purchased a new ScanNCut, another one. I've already got my beautiful DX model here, my 2200D Disney model SDX, which is gorgeous. I love it. But I've bought a SDX1000. Now the 2200 is a high-end model DX. So it has pretty well all the bells and whistles that you might be looking for. This model here is probably the lower priced model. So it is an SDX1000. I bought it from Spotlight yesterday and I haven't unboxed it yet, so it's in the box. So I'll do an unboxing video to show you what comes in the box. It's a really good bargain. So I've noticed a few people on Facebook going, oh, it was cheap, I don't know whether it's going to be all right or not. This is going to be just as good. Has a few less pictures and graphics and fonts and basically cut files than the 2200D. But other than that, it pretty well does everything else. In the package will come a standard mat, so a 12 by 12 mat, just in the standard tack, which I mostly only use the standard tack anyway. And it will come with the spatula and the stylus, and the black top blade will be in here. Pretty much everything you need to get started. And it's going to be a lot of fun. This was a bargain. It's in Australia. It's an Australian model. And it was $315 in Spotlight. So I was like, I have to have that. I'm a bit of a fanatic with Scan N Cuts because I've also got the CM900, which is also a high-end model. So I'm really keen to test this model out and see how well it does go. I'm feeling really confident that it's going to go well. It will cut everything the other ones will cut as well. So it still cuts your 3mm depth, you know, your thickness, scans, does everything. It does up to 600. So the only thing I found when I was researching this was it does do up to 600, but some of the scan to data features are a lower scanning resolution, but your scan to USB and all that is just the same. So along the way I'll do some comparisons between my high-end one and my lower price one, and we'll see how they compare, but I'm feeling really confident that they will go just fine. So my next video will be unboxing this. I've also written a blog post to go along with this model, so there'll be more information about it. So if you're sitting home wondering, oh, I've got a SDX1000, what am I going to do with it? You're in the right place and we'll follow this along. Join me at createwithsue.com and please remember to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. So click the button below and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya!